So now we want the output of the report should be displayed within the Jenkins build itself. So what we need to do, we need to configure some plugin. Plugins are available inside Manage Jenkins, and you're gonna see Manage plugin over here. And now in the available plugin, you need to look for, if you go to available plugin, you'll see so many plugins available over here. You can search for the particular plugin called as HTML publisher plugin. See, you won't see on my screen because this is already installed, right? If I go to installed plugins, you're gonna see one of the plugin that I have already configured over here. It's a HTML publisher plugin. Right. So when you see this option in the available list, you just need to select that particular plugin and say download and install. So once it is installed, it will gonna show up in your installed library over here. Right. This is the HTML publisher plugin. So this plugin publish HTML reports. Right. So once this is added, go back to your build and configure your build. Click on configure. And what you need to do is post build action publish HTML report. And here just add this and say HTML directory to archive. So where you are actually generating the reports, you're gonna find the reports are actually generated inside this HTML directory, right? All the screenshots and reports, even the emailable, the report entry report, the extent reports, all are actually added over here. So if in case you want to use this extent report, just copy this HTML library, HTML folder, copy it from here and go to your directory to archive and give this HTML directory over here. And here you want to actually archive the index.html report, right? Sorry, not the index.html, but the extent.html. So extent.html and give the report name as extent reports and click on save. Right. So now let us build this again and let us see if we are able to see the reports within Jenkins itself or not. So it's running the test suite. Now all the tests are being executed. Right. And once the build is finished, you're gonna see that HTML publisher archiving HTML report. So it is actually copying the report from your project directory to the directory where Jenkins jobs are being maintained. Right. And now if you go back to your project and if you see extent report link shows over here, and if you click on this, it actually shows output something like this. Right, we are looking for some HTML sort of output. This is a raw output that we got. So what we can do, there is a flag that HTML Publisher plugin provides. That flag says whenever you are starting your Jenkins services, I'll just gonna stop these services by saying Control C. And now when I start the Jenkins server, I say java-jar jenkins.var. Now within this, you need to give a flag something like this, that is the Hudson model directory browser support.csp equal to null, and this we actually need to give it java this. Sorry, I'll just remove this and paste the entire command again. So I'll just copy it from here, copy and paste and press enter. So this is how using this command, once you restart your Jenkins services. Now it won't take that much time to start because initially we have already started it. Yes, Jenkins is fully up and running. But again, go back to the Jenkins UI to the dashboard part, and then start the services, start the build again, schedule the build again. And if you go to the console output, the build is triggered. And the test successfully executed. Finishes the test. Now if we go back to the project and the extent report, you'll be able to see the report over here within the Jenkins, right? So this is how you can integrate your reports entirely within the Jenkins. You should be able to see all the graphical view, the screenshot of the failure test. Everything is available within the Jenkins URL itself, right? So this is how we configure the reports, the extent report in the Jenkins UI with the help of HTML publisher plugin.